TTS is a leader in the production of professional cleaning products and systems, and is now pleased to present BIO System, a compact and complete professional mopping system most advised in small and medium areas. BIO System is the answer to any operator's request, because it is ergonomic, economic, ecological, green, hygienic, compact, and easy to use. Due to its compact size, BIO System needs very little space while stored. The operator has all that he needs within reach thanks to the useful Belty kit. BIO System reduces the time needed to prepare the cleaning equipment and saves up to 80% of the cleaning solution if compared to traditional mopping systems. BIO System is very easy to use, and this is another important advantage not to be underestimated. Just fit the bottle into its support and lift up the air valve. Then place the mop onto the floor. BIO System releases the right quantity of solution for a correct impregnation of the mop, thus avoiding unpleasant waste. The release of the cleaning solution can be controlled by simply pressing the handle knob. Press the handle knob and rotate it to lock for a continuous flow of the solution. BIO System is the ideal solution to clean areas with middle dirt and is the perfect alternative to traditional systems. Light and easy to handle, it has been studied to the last detail to guarantee excellent ergonomics for the operator. BIO System is hygienic. The detergent solution is always clean with better cleaning results on the floor. The mop can be changed when it is dirty, reducing the amount of germs and bacteria that could be spread around from one place to another. No waste of time to empty and change the dirty water. No need to lift and transport heavy buckets with water. No need to rinse and wring the mop anymore. BIO System makes it easier to remove the dirt even from surfaces and areas difficult to be reached, such as skirting boards, corners, or steps, where traditional systems are usually less successful. And it is ideal for ordinary and common cleaning or for quick actions, because it is always ready to use. BIO System allows faster cleaning operations, reducing any waste of time to empty the bucket, change the dirty water, and wring the mops, saving time up to 50% if compared to traditional mopping systems. More efficient, less effort, and reduction of costs. BIO System is ideal for any environment, hospitals, clinics, rest homes, and any other place with high risk of contamination. It is also ideal for shops, hotels, restaurants, bars, offices, banks, and homes. A cleaner future? It's in our hands.